I'm very, very excited to have you here as well. I greet you all. Good afternoon. When we started this training last Saturday, I believe the morale was a bit down. We didn't know what to expect, but here we are. And us as the trainers, I'm very, very pleased with the team, with the trainees especially. They have been able to come through from Saturday. There have been a lot of challenges, but I am so, so glad to see that at least most of the faces, they came back each and every day to complete the training. So I want to congratulate you. This is your graduation day. You can clap for yourself. So this training, first of all, I want all the trainees to know the impact that it is going to make in your lives, not only for your community, but the country at large. So as one of your fellows mentioned that all these things that we have been able to give you, you're going to be able to use them even in the next coming years. So this is a training that is going to put you at an edge in the world, in Uganda, and in the whole world, right? So everything that we have been able to teach you, please make sure you implement. We only had a limited time, so we could not really go deep, but with the little that we have been able to give you, please use that and leverage that. It's important that you also go back and push yourself to learn, because if you do not, you're going to be able to forget. Practice is what is going to put you ahead, so make sure you give yourself time, practice these things, and know that most of the people that you might see in an office, it's not because they are the best, but it's because they are confident. So I want you guys to be very confident, put yourselves forward, and know that you're going to be learning along the way. You're also going to be unlearning a lot of stuff. I'm also very excited that you've been very open to learning. You have been very, very disciplined, and I can't thank you enough for that. Can you clap for yourself? And to close, this is very life-changing. Please take it seriously. You can also teach your friends. When you teach someone, you're able to also master the skill that you are teaching the person. So light a candle, teach someone else as you master the skills. For me, I'm very excited from our team. We have had a very good experience. We are very excited to know each one of you, and we know that you are going to keep in contact. We have created WhatsApp groups, so please keep the questions coming, and in case you need any help, please reach out. Thank you so much, and congratulations.